So now that we've decided to put our stuff up into Soar, and we've added a great description and links and hashtags and tags so people can find it, let's spread it even further by using the social media tags which you have down here. We can like things, just spread a little love, let people know things are good. The author of whoever you like will get pinged on that, and that'll start to creep up. We can also share to Twitter very easily. Click the Twitter button. This is my Twitter account. I've already entered my information. So let's say here is a map. Let's just go like that. Here's a map I made. Keep it simple. And I hit tweet, and off it goes, and the world sees it. And let's just do it. Why not? Tweet, off it goes, right? So there it is on my my feed, right? So that's the tweet. Same thing with Facebook. Same thing with LinkedIn. Share to LinkedIn. Off to your LinkedIn feed, and I can include a post in LinkedIn just as easily, right? Share in a post, send in a private message. So, and then easy enough, we can also copy the shared link. So I just hit that button, hit the copy the shared link, open up a new tab in my browser, and it will bring me right to that map and right to it. So you don't even have to be signed in. So I could send that link in an email to someone, and they would get to Soar and get to that information and say, hey, take a look at this thing I just did. You may be interested in this project. It's in your neighborhood, something like that, right? Very easy to do. So that's the copy of the shared link. This is the pin map button. I have done an example of that. I pinned this map of Provincetown, but I had logged out. So if I pin that, it's going to stay up. So whenever for the rest of my session, that will be stuck there. So if I'm working on something in two maps, it's easy to see them, and you can go back and forth. So that's the pin map, and then the embed map. We'll talk about that in a second in the next lecture.